learned in 2024 was this. Hello beautiful peeps of YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat and you're watching Planning Calm, and here in this channel I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. Now in this video, I'm doing a requested video. I know I've read the comments, I've read the DMs, both on Insta and on TikTok. Thank you so much for reaching out, everyone. But the question I get asked the most is, yo Kat, what planner will you be using for 2025? Now, if you missed the kind of one of my more recent videos, I did post a video on my 2024 planner fails. And so if you didn't check out that video, please feel free to stop this one, pause it up, and then check out that video where I discuss some of my planner fails, if you will, for the year of 2024. And I just kind of talked about things I liked, things I didn't like, etc. But for this video, I want to share with you just kind of my planner dilemma, if you will, in terms of what planners I'll be using or planner I'll be using for this upcoming year. To be honest with you, a spoiler alert, I have no idea what planner I want to use for this year. Comment down below if you have your planner chosen for this upcoming year. I would love to know. But honestly, the reason why I don't have one in mind is because I haven't found that planner piece, that planner, that planner that I can buy that is just gonna solve all my planner problems and woes. And you know what? That's okay. I don't really think something like that actually exists. And that's not what my planning is all about. What I learned in 2024 was this. I like to have flexibility. I like to have something that I can jump in and out of. I like to have something that allows me to be creative and have that creativity. I really enjoy planners that are large enough to accommodate my large cursive and script writing. I like planners that I can take on the go, so something that's travel friendly. And I like planners that are not too expensive. Now here in Canada, as I've said many times on this channel, I apologize if this sounds really annoying, but things are really expensive here. And so if I see a planner that's trending on social media and I have to have it and I just want it because it looks so great, chances are I'm kind of priced out of it, because by the time you tackle in the exchange rate and the shipping costs and the duties, I'm paying twice the price of the planner, which is really expensive. Going into this new year, I'm not spending a lot of money on planners anymore. I'm just not. If now, in the event that maybe a company wants to reach out and have me examine a planner, I would love to do that, because that way I'd be able to showcase the different planners that are out there, so that my viewing audience, which is you folks, can see the options and the versatility and things like that. But for me, as for me buying these things to showcase to you on this channel, I just can't do that. I'm just not in the financial position to do that. One day I hope to be. So if you'd love to do me the solid and watch this video all the way through and watch my other content and support and subscribe and like these videos, that will help me get there one step closer. But for now, it's just not feasible. These were some of the planners that I used this year, and some I loved and some I didn't love. Now the Hobonichi weeks I talked about already. I'm not gonna go into detail. I'm actually kind of thinking of considering the Sterling Ink weeks, but again, if the Hobonichi didn't work for me, why am I getting a weeks to work? Why do I think the weeks is gonna work for me? It just feels like a waste of money. And that's something I really do not wanna do this year. Now this planner here, the Common Planner Pocket Size, I really love this planner. If anything, what I would probably consider is I really like the Common Planner. I think I may stick with something like that for next year, but I think I may consider a B5 size for this. The A5, which I thought was a size I would always love, I just find there's so much space and so much of it that I just don't know if I need all of that. This I found was great for on the go, but I just want to find a planner that is just I can fit everything in. And I do like to have different types of planners. So I like my notebook planner. I like the Sterling ink planner, and then I like my kind of pocket size planner. But yeah, like I think that's kind of where I'm at right now. I don't want to spend a lot of money. I'm looking at this, I'm like, I don't want to spend a lot of money. And I want something that is the right size for me, because I do like to travel. I do like to have, you know, the opportunity to bring my planners with me and, you know, my planner stuff with me. And if the planner's too big, it's just not going to work. And if you watched my fails video, that was one of the reasons. But I really like the Sterling Ink Common Planner. I really found myself gravitating toward this. Like I said in my past video, I wasn't really a fan of the Hobonichi for a variety of reasons, but if there's something out there that's similar to a Sterling Ink that may be a little bit cheaper, I would definitely consider that. So B5 girl, are you an A5 girl or B6? I can't even remember, but I'll put the correct one on the screen. Now, my notebook has always been my ride or die. Now, I love this thing. I never thought I would love a notebook so much, but I really, really love this notebook. I use it for everything. Now, I do have some personal things in here, so I can't show all the pages, but you kind of get a sense of how I've set it up over the years. And this is something I stuck to all year. So starting in January up until it's September when I'm filming, I use this all the time. And at the same time, I'm like, yeah, I want a planner that, you know, is small enough to carry around, but this is obviously bigger. What is wrong with you, Kat? Well, this is different because I'm treating it as a notebook. It's thin enough that, you know, like, it's not like gonna be large and bulky, for instance, right? So this actually worked out really, really, really well. I have my April, March. So yeah, I really love the notebook. So this will definitely be something I will be continuing to use next year, for the next year. And it's just so great. I can jot things down. And what I'm finding is this is kind of my first step. As I do have a planner channel, I do like to have my planner look in a kind of a aesthetic way. So for me, instead of kind of going in and just kind of like dumping all over my planner and having it look crappy and messy, I can kind of plan out my things with a little bit more detail in my notebook planner, and then I can write things out a little bit more pretty in, if I choose to, that is, in this planner here. So yeah, that is that's kind of my thoughts. I am really excited to maybe get my hands on some, you know, sponsored planners or just planners for review or for consideration. I'm really heading in that direction because I really want to be able to showcase to you what is out there and what would be beneficial for your needs. I hope it's helpful. I would love to start a conversation down there. What are you folks doing for planners this year? I'm still at odd. I mean, it's still September, so I still have some time to process and to review and to kind of look to see what's out there, something that would fit my needs. But again, if I get some for consideration, I would love to showcase them on my channel so you folks will be able to see. And I am considering the Common Planner for 2025, and maybe another planner that is relatively inexpensive. Comment down below if you know any, and comment down below your favorite suggestions for planners for 2025. What are you using? What do you think is going to be great, big? What are the planner trends that you are seeing? Let me know. I'd love for you to comment down below. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm just off of a long day of work, so I am rusty, busty, and crusty. Seems to be my favorite line these days, but that's kind of how I'm feeling right now. But I always love spending time with you. So thank you so much for watching. And yeah, like I said, let's start a conversation and let's do some planner chatting, folks. I would love to know what's up with you. So thank you again for being here. And until the next video, take care, be well, be blessed. And I'll see you all with another planner video to come. So take care, everybody. Until the next time, bye-bye.